Hey guys, I had posted up the video the other day about the radiator, and in that video, the brackets for the alternator and the power steering pump were visible in one of those little videos. And I had another email asking about what they were. These are ICT Billet. They were fairly inexpensive. I think total for power steering and this alternator bracket was $100. So it kind of gave a pretty good option for these brackets. They're very simple, very easy, fit really well. So I think I'm going to end up using both of them. The alternator one may need to adjust that a little bit, but I think it's going to be far enough away from the turbo that it shouldn't be an issue. There's a shot of the power steering one. That one is only bolted on with one bolt. I think what I'll end up doing is that one will probably rotate up a little higher. I don't like where it sits right there, but that bracket is able to work on a couple of different holes on the cylinder head. Right now you can kind of see it's not really lined up with anything. I only have one of them, I think, bolted directly to the cylinder head. So I think what I'll end up doing is I'll rotate that up. So it'll sit a little bit higher, but I think it'll work out a little bit better with the exhaust on that side, which there again, the hot side on this one is not going to go forward and up. I'm going to go down and back like a normal exhaust header, so should be okay with it. But you can kind of see the back side of that bracket. Don't know if there's a better angle or shot of that, but seems like it's going to work out all right. Can't really get down underneath there. There's the back side of that alternator bracket, just bolts to the cylinder head. And then you've got the brackets down there and the adjuster on the side. So I think it's going to work out pretty good. I've never used these before, but they came highly recommended. Forums and everybody seemed to think they worked really well, and yeah, for the price they are, I've got no complaints yet. So I guess we'll see how it works when we get it all put together. Trying to see if I can get a better shot of that. Don't know if I can get the camera down there and make it look good, but anyway, I think you get the idea of how that all bolts up. Should work out pretty good.